Hello guys, welcome back po sa akin channel para tutorial video. So may mga tanong po galing sa ating mga viewers, subscribers ng aking YouTube channel. Sinasabi nila kapag isnumbong ba ang isang individual, ang isang tao na siya po ay involved sa illegal activity, let's say illegal drugs, nagbibinta ng illegal drug or involved sa illegal drug trade or involved sa illegal gambling or any other illegal activities na labag po sa ating batas, ay agad bang huhulihin ng pulis? Guys, tandaan po natin yung proseso ng pag-aristo. Before po natin maunawaan yung proseso ng pag-aristo, kailangan maunawaan natin yung definition of arrest. Arrest is a taking of person into the custody in order that he may be bound to answer charges against him or her for the violation of the offense. So base po sa definition of arrest, kailangan mayroong commission of crime na ginawa yung tao. May alleged commission of crime na nangyari before natin arestuhin yung tao. That is a very basic requirements of arrest. At tandaan natin, as a general rule, we could only arrest the person by virtue of warrant of arrest. Paano ba magkaroon ng warrant of arrest? A warrant of arrest, it is a document issued by the judge commanding any peace officer to arrest the person. At hindi basta-basta magkaroon ng warrant of arrest yung judge or yung court. Kailangan may basihan, may probable cause, may ebidensya. So anong basihan ng judge? Kailangan mayroong proper complaint yung complainant para i-file yung kaso sa korte. And then if there is a probable cause, nakitaan ng judge ng tinatawag na sufficient probable cause, sufficient evidence, that's the time that the judge will issue a warrant of arrest. Kasi yung purpose na yan is to establish jurisdiction between the complainant and the person to be arrested. Yan yung tao na inireklamo. Tinatawag yan sa court na respondent or accused. Yan po yung basihan ng pag-aresto. Ulitin ko po, arrest can only be made if there is a warrant of arrest. That is a general rule. But guys, tandaan po natin, in every law, there's always an exemption. There is an exemption to the rule pag pinag-usapan natin yung tinatawag na pag-aresto. Ano po yon? Diyan na pumapasok yung tinatawag na warrantless arrest. Ano yung basihan ng warrantless arrest? Nakasulat yan sa Rules of Court, Rule 113 Section 5, warrantless arrest. So, in other words, that is a citizen's arrest. So, balik tayo sa tanong. May isinumbong yung isang concerned citizen na yung tao is involved sa illegal drug, let's say for example, involved sa illegal drugs, ay hindi agad-agad nahulihin ng pulis. The police will validate the information. If that information is reliable, confirm to other source na yung tao is involved talaga. So anong gagawin ng pulis? The police will conduct surveillance, casing, monitoring sa tao para malaman that information was reliable or totoo. Then, if na-confirm ng police, na-validate ng police na talaga yung taong isinumbong is really involved in illegal activities, that's the time na yung ating mga kapulisan will conduct police operation. Sa illegal drugs, natawag yan na buy-bust operation, search warrant operation, or any other operation para magiging valid yung arrest. Ano yung basihan ng police? The police will prove that person is really involved if the police show directly na ang tao na yan is involved talaga. So by means of in flagrante delicto, caught in the act. Yan yung tinatawag na caught in the act. So kung yung tao is nagbibinta ng droga, dapat yung police is mag-disguise to be a pusher buyer in order that the police has a personal knowledge of facts and circumstances na talaga yung tao is nagbibinta. And then that's the time na huliin siya ng police. So yan yung proper exemption of arrest, in flagrante delicto. May mga pagkakataon rin through hot pursuit operation, hindi nakita ng pulis na yung tao is nag-commit ng crime, but the police or other person has a personal knowledge of facts and circumstances that the person is really committed a crime. Ibig sabihin, the crime has just been committed bago lang nangyari yung krimen. Through hot pursuit operation is nahuli yung tao. So legal ba yung pag-aresto? Yes, of course, legal kasi fresh pa yung pag-commit ng crime. That is hot pursuit, or in other word, fresh pursuit. May mga pagkakataon rin na yung mga iskapo or mga escape prisoner is tumakas sa mga penal institution, sa BGMP, sa Bureau of Correction. So kahit saan sila magtago ay pwede silang hulihin ng ating mga kapulisan, or even yung ating mga ordinary citizen ay pwede silang hulihin because nakasulat yan sa Rule 113 Section 5 ng ating Rules of Court. Belong yan sa warrantless arrest. So guys, I hope po na naintindihan po natin yung proseso ng pag-aresto. No, ulitin ko po, hindi basta-basta nahulihin yung isang tao dahil mayroong information na inireport galing sa mga concerned citizen na involved siya sa isang illegal activities. So we need proof, we need evidence, we need probable cause para mapatunayan natin na ang information is totoo. Then that's the time na mag-conduct tayo ng proper operation para magkaroon tayo ng personal knowledge regarding sa reports para ma-prove natin na yung report is totoo. Kasi yung in-establish ng court is proof beyond reasonable doubt, sufficient evidence, and probable cause para mapatunayan natin na ang tao is talagang mayroong commission of offense. So guys, marami pong salamat. Sana po ay nagkaroon ng maliwanag na kasagutan ang inyong tanong. So have a nice day and stay safe everyone. Bye-bye!